Hey there, it's your girl Tweetie, and welcome to my daily smoothie series, Blends by Tweetie, where I blend up more than just fruit. I'm sharing smoothies that nourish life, whether you're a new mom trying to lose or gain weight, fueling your workout, boosting milk supply, or sneaking veggies into picky eaters. Have got a recipe for you. From pregnancy to postpartum, kids to older adults, I've got a smoothie for everybody and every season of life. I'll be sharing powerful, quick, easy recipes packed with ingredients that actually make a difference. Smart swaps, and all the little tips that make your smoothie next level, So, whether you're eating, fueling, glowing, or just surviving another morning, I got you. It's the follow and subscribe button. Grab your blender and let's sip all the way to better days. Welcome to Blends by Tweetie.
Hey smoothie lovers, welcome back to Blends by Tweetie, where we blend with purpose, sip with intention, and glow from the inside out. Looking for a breakfast that's quick, filling, and keeps you energized? This Strawberry Oatmeal Power Shake is like breakfast in a jar. Start with 1 cup of fresh strawberries for natural sweetness and antioxidants. Add half a banana for that creamy texture and extra potassium. Next, toss in half a cup of oats, the secret to making the smoothie hearty and fiber-packed, so it keeps you full for hours. For healthy fat and protein, add a spoonful of peanut butter. Then pour in a cup of whole milk or oat milk, whichever you prefer. For just a touch of natural sweetness, drizzle in a teaspoon of maple syrup. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. If you let it sit for a few minutes, the oats thicken up beautifully, turning this into a rich, satisfying shake. At around 460 calories, it's a full balanced meal in a glass. Fruity, filling, and made to help you gain in all the right places. Perfect for busy mornings, post-workout recovery, or anytime you need serious fuel to power your day.
I got you. Yes.